In this video, I will share about something that millions of people silently struggle with every single day: depression, loneliness, isolation. These are not just medical terms, they are real emotions that affect people from every walk of life. It doesn't matter whether you are a student preparing for exams, a business owner struggling to pay bills, a young professional worried about your career, a parent trying to provide for your family, or a retired person feeling forgotten. Life has become more demanding than ever before. The cost of living keeps rising, businesses face uncertainty, students compete in an increasingly challenging world, families carry financial responsibilities. Social media constantly compares our lives with everyone else's. As a result, many people wake up feeling tired before the day even begins. Many smile in front of others while silently crying inside. Many people say, "I'm okay," when they are anything but okay. If you have ever felt this way, please know one thing: you are not alone. Thousands of people around you are fighting battles that no one else can see. The good news is this: no matter how dark today feels, tomorrow can still be brighter. Depression and anxiety do not have to define your future. Today, I will share 10 practical steps that can help you regain your confidence, rebuild your energy, and become an active, happy, and productive member of your family and community. Tip 1: accept your feelings without feeling ashamed. The first step toward healing is honesty. Many people believe they must always appear strong. They hide their emotions, they suppress their tears, they convince themselves that asking for help is a weakness, but the truth is exactly the opposite. Recognizing that you are struggling is a sign of courage. Imagine driving a car with a warning light flashing on the dashboard. Ignoring the warning will never fix the problem. Similarly, ignoring emotional pain does not make it disappear. It usually grows stronger. Allow yourself to say, "I'm going through a difficult time." That sentence is not defeat. It is the beginning of recovery. Tip 2: stop fighting every battle alone. One of the biggest mistakes people make is isolating themselves. When people become depressed, they often stop answering phone calls. They avoid family gatherings. They stay inside their rooms. They slowly disconnect from the world. Isolation makes depression stronger. Human beings are designed for connection. Talk to someone you trust. It could be your spouse, a parent, a friend, a teacher, a mentor, or a counselor. Sometimes simply sharing your worries with another person makes the burden feel lighter. As the famous saying goes, "A problem shared is a problem halved." Never underestimate the healing power of a genuine conversation. Tip 3: take care of yourself. Your mind and body work together. When your body suffers, your mind often follows. You don't need an expensive gym membership. Start with a simple daily walk. Stretch your muscles, drink enough water, eat nutritious food, reduce excessive junk food and sugary drinks, aim for regular sleep. Even 20 to 30 minutes of physical activity can improve your mood. Exercise releases natural chemicals that help reduce stress and improve emotional well-being. Small daily habits eventually create big life changes. Tip 4: control your thoughts before they control you. Our minds constantly tell stories. Sometimes those stories are true, sometimes they are not. Depression often whispers, "You will never succeed. No one cares about you. You are a failure." But ask yourself, where is the evidence? Many successful people experienced repeated failures before achieving success. Your current situation is temporary. It is not your identity. Whenever a negative thought appears, replace it with a realistic one. Instead of saying, "Oh, I can never do this," say, "I may struggle today, but I can improve." Changing your thoughts changes your direction. Tip 5: set small, achievable goals. Many people become overwhelmed because they look at the entire mountain instead of taking the first step. If your room is messy, don't think about cleaning the whole house. Start with one corner. If you are unemployed, start by updating your resume today. Apply for one job today. Learn one new skill this week. If you are studying, focus on one chapter instead of worrying about the entire semester. Progress creates confidence. Confidence creates motivation. Motivation creates success. Small victories build great lives. Tip 6, reduce social media comparison. One of today's biggest sources of anxiety is comparison. We scroll through social media and see vacations, luxury cars, perfect families, successful businesses, happy couples. But remember something important. Most people only post their best moments. Very few people post their sleepless nights, their debts, their failures, their fears. Comparing your everyday life with someone else's highlight reel is unfair. Instead of asking, why don't I have what they have? Ask, what can I improve in my own life today? Your journey is unique. Focus on your own progress. Tip 7, help someone else. One of the fastest ways to feel better is to become useful. Depression often makes us focus only on our own pain. Helping others changes our perspective. Visit an elderly neighbor, support a struggling friend, volunteer in your community, teach a child, donate what you no longer need. Sometimes bringing hope into another person's life brings hope back into your own. Kindness heals both the giver and the receiver. Tip 8, keep learning and growing. Never stop developing yourself. Learn a new language, read books, take online courses, develop computer skills, improve communication, learn public speaking, start a hobby. Growth gives the mind a purpose. Every new skill increases confidence. Remember, the best investment you can ever make is in yourself. No one can take your knowledge away from you. Tip 9, practice gratitude every day. Gratitude does not mean pretending life is perfect. It simply means recognizing that even during difficult times, there are still blessings. Perhaps you have your health, your family, a roof over your head, a supportive friend, food on your table. Every evening, write down 3 things you are thankful for. This simple habit trains your brain to notice hope instead of only problems. A grateful heart becomes stronger during difficult seasons. Tip 10, never stop believing that tomorrow can be better. This may be the most important advice of all. Life changes, storms pass, winter always becomes spring. History is full of people who experience enormous setbacks before achieving extraordinary success. Many famous entrepreneurs failed repeatedly before building successful businesses. Many scientists were rejected countless times. Many great leaders experienced disappointment before changing the world. If they had given up, history would have been different. Your story is still being written. Do not allow one difficult chapter to become the ending. Keep moving forward, one step, one day, one decision at a time. If today you feel anxious, if you feel lonely, if you feel discouraged, please remember this. Your value is not measured by your income, your exam results, your job title, or other people's opinions. You matter because you are a human being. You have talents waiting to be discovered. You have dreams worth pursuing. You have people whose lives will become better because you exist. Choose hope over despair. Choose action over fear. Choose connection over isolation. Choose growth over giving up. Let today be the day you make one small positive change. Take a walk or call someone you trust. Learn something new, smile at someone, help another person, pray or meditate, write down your goals, then wake up tomorrow and do it again, because great lives are not built by one giant leap. They are built by thousands of small, hopeful steps. Remember, you are stronger than your struggles, you are greater than your fears, and your best days may still be ahead of you. If this message encouraged you, please like and share this video with someone who may need to hear it today.